What types of external knowledge sources can RAG systems use? Answer: RAG systems can utilize both structured and unstructured external knowledge sources to gather information. Structured sources include databases, API, or knowledge graphs, where data is organized and easily searchable. On the other hand, unstructured sources consist of large collections of text, such as documents, websites, or archives, where the information needs to be processed using natural language understanding. This flexibility allows RAG systems to be tailored to different fields, such as legal or medical use, by pulling from case law databases, research journals, or clinical trial data. Structured sources are beneficial when the data is well organized and easily accessible, making it simpler to extract relevant information. For instance, a database of medical research papers can be easily searched using keywords or authors' names. In contrast, unstructured sources require more processing power to extract valuable information, as the data is not pre-organized. However, this type of data can be particularly valuable when searching for specific information or patterns that may not be easily found in structured sources. The ability of RAG systems to access both structured and unstructured sources makes them versatile and adaptable to various domains. By combining the strengths of both types of sources, RAG systems can provide a more comprehensive understanding of a particular topic or field.